How come my shadow is smaller than me?
That's simple. It's the process of transformations.
Wait, isn't transformations like things moving on a grid?
Yeah, but it can also have a lot of real world applications.
Wait, really?
Of course. Okay, so let's say the square is u at points, and let's use the origin as the point of dilation. In real life, this would be the light source. The way dilation works is by taking a dilation factor. Let's use 0.5, and the way it works is by taking the distance from the point of dilation to each point and then multiplying it by a dilation factor. Let's use the first point as an example. Since the distance from the origin is 2 and 4, times it by 0.5, then you get 1 and 2. So the first point would be here. Now, let's do the rest.
The first point is going to be at -1, -2. Second point at -2, -2. Third point at -1, -3. And the last point at -2, -3. Wow, that's so cool.
There are three other types of transformations as well: translations, reflections, and rotations.
Okay, what are those?
In simple words, translations are moving the shape without changing the way it looks, just in a different place. For example, you have this square is here, then translating it 2 points down and 4 to the right would look like this. Basically, you move each point based on the rule. So in this case, you move each point 2 down and 4 to the right on the grid.
That is very useful to my everyday life.
Also, there are reflections. Reflections are a transformation in which a geometric figure is reflected across a line, creating a mirror image. View this example as I reflect this square along the y-axis. For reflections, you have to count the space between the points and the reflection line, then move it the same number in the opposite direction on the other side of the line. Finally, there are rotations. Rotations are a transformation in which a plane figure turns around a fixed center point. In other words, one point on the plane, the center of rotation, is fixed, and everything else on the plane rotates about the point by a given angle. Watch as I rotate this square 180 degrees about the origin. The way to do this would be using the L method.
Well, now I know everything about math.
Well, this is only a small part of math.
Well, before I didn't know anything about math.